Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide messages on Snapchat. So first you go and open Snapchat application, then you go to the page where you have all your chats, select the chat that you want to hide and long press on it. So for example, I want to hide this chat. After I do that, I will click on the option chat and notification settings. You click on that. Then you choose the first option, clear from chat feed. You click on that. Then you select clear, and this will only hide that conversation and will not delete any saved or sent messages. You click on that. And now that chat is cleared. If I want to unhide it, I go and click on my profile icon. Then I scroll down to my friends section. I click on that. Then I select the person that I did hide his chat. Then I will click on chat and notification settings. And this time I'm going to click on pin conversation. And now the conversation will be back in my feed. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.